everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to calibrate the Eyepiece Graticule using stage micrometer. What you see here on the right side are two different versions of stage micrometer, and what you're looking at here is an Eyepiece Graticule, the plastic one, and a glass one which is engraved into the eyepiece lens. That's the plastic Eyepiece Graticule that we insert into the eyepiece lens. The plastic Eyepiece Graticule is inserted into the eyepiece lens. But there is a better version. This eyepiece lens manufactured with Eyepiece Graticule already engraved in it, so you don't have to put any plastic. This is much better. And here is a stage micrometer. A stage micrometer is a very accurately etched glass or plastic ruler that is placed on the microscope stage, so that the Eyepiece Graticule scale is superimposed on the stage micrometer scale, so that we can calibrate, we can measure the actual distance that can be measured with one division of Eyepiece Graticule. So this is the plastic version. Okay, we just cut the plastic and scotch tape it onto the slide. And here is another version, a classic one. Quite different than the one that Cambridge sends. Put the stage micrometer on stage. Turn on the microscope. And now you need to superimpose the stage micrometer with the Eyepiece Graticule. The larger one that you see is a stage micrometer. You can move it up and down, right and left. And the smaller scale is the Eyepiece Graticule, so you can rotate it. And as I move, so my intention is to overlap any two. For instance, I overlap 0 with 5. Okay. If I overlap small 0 with big 5, you can see that the small 2 overlaps with 5.5 as well. Now you can make a comparison. The black scale you see here is a stage micrometer, and the blue one refers to the Eyepiece Graticule. Well, you need to first superimpose these two. You need to clash them or overlap them both. So the stage micrometer, you can move the stage micrometer up and down, right or left. But you can rotate the Eyepiece Graticule by simply rotating the eyepiece lens. So you can move it either way. So once you superimpose them, you need to check out for two lines overlap. Once you superimpose the stage micrometer with the Eyepiece Graticule, check out for two overlapping lines. So I overlap the 0 of the Eyepiece Graticule here, and now look for the second overlapping line. So here it doesn't overlap, here no overlapping, here no overlapping, no, and it exactly overlaps between two. Now the rest is making simple ratio. Now count the number of divisions in this overlapping region in the stage micrometer and in the Eyepiece Graticule. Remember, between 5 and 6, so in here between number 5 and 6 is not a unit. A unit or a division is any distance between two lines. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can say that 5 divisions or units of stage micrometer equals to how many units? So it's between 0 to 2 in the eyepiece graticule. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. So 5 divisions of stage micrometer equals to 20 divisions of eyepiece graticule. But pay attention, you have to calibrate your eyepiece graticule at each different magnification. Let's assume that you're using 4 times objective lens. So the total magnification will be 40 times. Well, it will be more convenient if I show the eyepiece graticule before the stage micrometer. So 20 divisions of eyepiece graticule equals to 5 divisions of stage micrometer. I need to find out one division of eyepiece graticule equals to how many divisions of stage micrometer. Well, in this case it would be 5 over 20 divisions of stage micrometer, which in fact makes 1 over 4. So at 40 times total magnification, 1 division of eyepiece graticule equals to 1 over 4 divisions of stage micrometer. What's the significance of this? Well, I can't really measure the actual distance that can be measured by 1 division of eyepiece graticule, but I can calculate it for stage micrometer. Remember, the stage micrometer is the one that I put on the stage. I can actually measure the real length of the stage micrometer by using a simple ruler. Using a simple ruler, I measured it as 1 centimeter, the whole length. In another word, it's 10 millimeter. So the real length of the stage micrometer is 10 millimeter. And how many divisions are there in the stage micrometer? 100 divisions. So 100 divisions of stage micrometer equals to 10 millimeter. Millimeter is not a preferred unit to work at microscopic level, so let me convert it to micrometer. Remember to use millimeter to micrometer conversion. So from millimeter to micrometer is times 1,000. From micro to millimeter, it's divided by 1,000. So this will make actually 10,000 micrometer. So 1 division of stage micrometer equals to 100 micrometer. This is the number that I need, and this is the value that is not going to change according to magnification. I need to figure out at each magnification how many divisions of stage micrometers are there in 1 division of eyepiece graticule, because I know the real value for this one, so I can figure this out. So at 40 times total magnification, since 1 division of eyepiece graticule equals to 1 over 4 divisions of stage micrometer, and since I know that 1 division of stage micrometer equals to 100 micrometer, at 40 times total magnification, 1 division of eyepiece graticule will measure 25 micrometers. So in other words, at 40 times total magnification, the actual distance that you measure with 1 division of eyepiece graticule equals to 25 micrometers. This is called as calibration.